twin-turbo V6 and 3 electric motors team up for blistering acceleration, but the system also enables quiet, electric-only driving so your neighbors don't have a cow every time you idle through your subdivision. Other similarly priced sports cars such as the McLaren 570S and the Mercedes-AMG GT offer sharper handling or more raw power, but the NSX is easier to live with on a day-to-day basis. Of course, there are some downsides, which we will show in the video. The good news is that the 2022 NSX will wear the vaunted Type S badge and come with 600 horsepower version of the supercar's twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain. Standard. The bad news, 2022 will be the NSX's last model year before it's discontinued, and only 300 will be available for sale in the US. Along with the pumped-up powertrain, the 2022 model wears tweaked front-end styling and Type S badging. The V6, the 9-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and one of the electric motors work as a team to power the rear wheels. The other two electric motors operate independently to drive the front wheels, effectively giving the NSX all-wheel drive. In quiet and sport modes, the steering is direct and accurate, but light to the touch, which we think is an attempt to make the NSX feel maneuverable on a day-to-day basis. Such a setup, however, feels out of place on such a performance-oriented vehicle. In Sport Plus and Track modes, the electric power steering system dials in more weight. Regardless of the setting, the steering is crisp, and the car responds smartly to the slightest of driver inputs. Touted as the everyday supercar, the NSX is certainly comfortable and intuitive enough for just about anyone to use as a daily driver. But its cabin doesn't have the premium feel and luxurious amenities one expects from an Acura, let alone one that is meant to compete with the best from England and Germany. Our test car featured the optional leather and faux-suede seats, faux-suede headliner, and carbon fiber trimmed steering wheel. While the seats are comfortable, we'd prefer more thigh support, and enthusiastic drivers will likely desire more side bolstering as well. For something marketed as the everyday supercar, the NSX's interior storage cubbies aren't especially commodious.